It's 24th of June 2018 and it's a beautiful morning in Bhivpuri. We are here at Bhivpuri Waterfall. As you can see it in the background, it looks hilarious. We just had been to that place. Since the rainy season has started, we thought let's go trekking as it becomes best in monsoon, and that's the reason we are here. The atmosphere is amazing. It is completely full of greenery, and it's a really special feeling close to nature. In the background by zooming in, yeah, as you can see, and we have been to waterfall. I did notice a large group here because it's rainy season, and in rainy season there are a lot of people who go trekking. Although it's not raining here, but the climate is really cool. It's 26 degrees Celsius here, and the environment is full of greenery. It's like amazing scenery in the background. Seeing everything green and green, it feels really great being close to nature.